Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing another grocery haul with you guys. It's been a forever, I feel like, since I've done one of these, and you do really enjoy the grocery hauls where I do the cook with me at the end. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm just going to be cooking one recipe today, which is my sweet potato carbonara, and some people say it sounds disgusting, but it's actually amazing. So what I usually do is I start off by writing down the menu that I am cooking for the week, and then I will go around and just check in the cupboards as to anything else that I may need to prepare all my meals and snacks for the week. Sometimes I do shop the specials. So say if I've got barely anything in my cupboard and I need to pretty much start from scratch, the best thing to do that I find to save money is to shop the special. So I'll have a look at what meat's on special, for instance, and then I'll be able to make sort of a meal up from there, because obviously meat is the most expensive thing. But for here, I've pretty much got sort of a lot of the ingredients that would make up some of these things already. It's also a great time to clean out your fridges, fruit bowls and cupboards of anything that probably shouldn't be in there. Because then you know obviously if you need to replace it as well. Now once the list is complete, I simply snap a photo on my phone and I take that with me. I used to use shopping lists, but I was finding that I would forget my shopping list all the time, and having it on my phone like this, I know that I will not go anywhere without my phone. So this is the way that has been my savior, you could say. The other thing that I do while I'm grocery shopping is making sure that I look at the unit pricing to make sure that I am basically getting the best bang for my buck. So that is just at the bottom of the ticket. I think everyone knows by now anyway, but yeah, at the bottom of the ticket basically, you know how much it is per litre or per kilo. To make sure that I am getting the best deal. Yummy. You gotta get the barcode done.
This black bit.
Yep, it's already done it. Put it in the bag.
Did you hear it?
You can see it on the screen. Yep, next one.
The crossy bum.
You want a crossy bum. You little nut job. Okay, so I'm back from the supermarket and I'm just going to share with you this quick grocery haul, and then we are going to make my sweet potato carbonara, which is really fun and easy to make. Kids would love making the noodles as well. The little grater that I did get to make this is from Kmart, for anybody who is asking where the noodle thing comes from. Anyway, let's quickly get stuck into this grocery haul. Okay, this is a little grocery haul of everything I've got.
Happy Mother's Day!
It is Mother's Day, and Talia has set up shop. She's decided that she's going to have these bickies for dinner and the hot cross bun, haven't you? But do you think Mummy's going to let you do that?
I'm gonna have this can be a part of my dinner, and I can have veggies with it.
Oh, well, you better have veggies. Okay, so this is what I have got. I got some frozen stuff, which will go with the sausages I've got. And then I've got some cabana, cucumber. These are just going to be for my little snack packs you see sometimes I have. So I usually do these with the carrots as well. And then I'll usually do some celery as well. So I just usually dice them up and they're just in my snacks. I've got some lettuce because I do have some taco mince, so I'm going to make some lettuce up for that. I have got the sweet potato for the sweet potato carbonara, and also for a couple of the stir fries, as well as the pumpkin. Then I've got the mandarins. These are actually going to be for like Talia's Kinder and just snacks. Then I've also got some lemons, which is just going to be for some lemon water. I've got some Coles brand Nutella. Talia likes that on her sandwiches. Semi-dried tomatoes, which will go with the sweet potato carbonara. I've got, these are on special, they're just biscuits. And then I've got some hot cross buns. I don't know why they still have them and it's made, but they do. the Parmesan cheese, which is also for the carbonara, tasty cheese for sandwiches, that's also for the carbonara. Then I've got some chicken for the sauteed chicken, bananas again for snacks, and these are also for the cooking as well. Talia wanted some corn, she's obsessed in corn, so I got that. Some more for snacks, and then I've got Talia's milk and my milk, some corn, which would be for like daycare, for snacks in their lunchbox. Tomato sauce because we ran out. Sandwiches for lunch, for daycare. I'm on, I know it's so disgusting, but this has been really helping my migraine, so I have some of these with my medication and it works ridiculously so much better. My doctor actually recommended I have caffeine and I cannot handle the taste of coffee, so I've been having some of these and they've been a godsend, and because it's my period I know that I'm going to be stuck with them. So that is the grocery haul, and that is $102 worth of groceries there. Okay, so for the sweet potato carbonara, I'm just starting off by putting the eggs in the bowl and whisking them. So normally I do actually mix the cheese in with this as well. This is one of the first times I've actually made it, to be honest, when I recorded this. You're just going to brown off your bacon and your onions, and yes, the lens is fogging up. It is on a special tripod, so I can't actually see what was going on, but anyway, that's what we're starting off with. And then we're just going to add the sweet potato noodles. Now you only want to have these like half cooked before you actually add in your egg and your Parmesan cheese like sauce mixture, just because if you do it too early, if you cook them too much, they're actually just going to go soggy, and we don't want that. Next up, I'm just adding the semi-dried tomatoes, and then I'm just going to give them a stir through. Now I'm just adding the egg and cheese mixture. You can see when I've actually recording this video, I've added them in separately. I was just trying to work out quantities so I can actually leave the recipe in the description box for you, but normally I do everything pretty much to taste as well. So yeah, nowadays I just whisk up the eggs and put the cheese in with it. And after you've done that, and it's pretty much all cooked through, we're just going to add our spinach. Now the reason why I put spinach in sort of last is because I just don't like the taste of cooked spinach. I like my spinach to be pretty raw, so that's why I do that last. And the other thing that you want to do is you want to add your salt and pepper. So you want to have a try and taste have a taste, and then just basically add it to taste, because it is quite sweet, but I suppose it's got the saltiness of the bacon and the semi-dried tomatoes as well. But yeah, it's got this sweet salty taste to it. It is very, very tasty. This is what it looks like when it's all cooked. How yummy does that look? I cannot wait to dig in and eat this. How delicious. Yummo. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Of course, if you do, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I thought I might throw in a couple more of these grocery haul videos, but what I was thinking of doing is each week I do something different. So I might do a cook with me afterwards, and then other weeks I might just do like an organization where I show you how I organize all my meals for the week, or how I organize things in my cupboard and in my fridge. So that is just what I thought I'd throw in. I might just throw it in as an extra video if I have time to, you know, edit an extra video. But yeah, this is what I was thinking. So if you do enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up, leave the feedback below of what you'd like to see next, and I'll catch up with you guys next week with another video. I'll see you then. Bye.